Hello friends, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we're going to be working on this large dent right from Fender. I'll show you here in a second. It's a long line there. It's at least 18 to 20 inches long. Today I'm going to start with hot glue. For all those of you who may wonder or want to know more, what am I using here? These are Kekotabs.com. That's where I get most of my product. Kekotabs.com. Excellent stuff. Check it out. I would like to mention that before I started with my tabs, I had to clean the surface with 99% alcohol, make sure everything is clean. And I have to wait like 2 minutes for the tabs to dry, and now I'm ready to pull it out. Gently, slowly, not too hard, just enough to pull it out. Because if you do it too much, then you're gonna create a second problem. As you can see there, most of the large dent came out. After I remove my tabs with alcohol, you will see that all I ended up with was a line that I need to work there. There it is. It is a long line. This is a different angle and one with a light, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna be using my double bend hand tool with a medium soft rubber tip. I would like to mention that I could do this probably. I could do it with hot glue, but there is a large opening there on the fender, so I decided to take advantage of that and go with my hand tool. It's getting there. Now I'm gonna switch to my medium soft tip, still with my double bend hand tool. I like the way it's coming out. I just continue to work along the line, which is a really long line, but it's getting there. I would like to mention this is a 2020 Mercedes-Benz Cla250. And here I need to tap down the excess push. These are basically the final details. Just need to finish a little bit there along the line. And that's pretty much it, my friends. I like the way it came out. I'm pretty excited. Let me know what you think. I will see you next time.